Slept for the past 2 days.
And catastrophic in Kingston throughout the day, usually 70.
So we're you this morning in case you were.
So we can come the MLT. So I can see if that was you.
Shows Melissa centered about 145 miles southwest of Kingston. It could bring as much as 2.5 feet of rain and catastrophic flooding to parts of the island.
Lonnie Quinn is tracking the hurricane, but we begin with Jason Allen in Kingston tonight. Jason.
Hey, good evening, Maurice. You know, the wind gusts have been picking up here in Kingston throughout the day. Usually we get big bursts of rain with it. It feels like there's another one coming in right now. Kingston has still been experiencing some short breaks in the most intense weather, but that is not expected to continue over the next several hours as Melissa gets closer to the Jamaican shoreline. Melissa's outer bands have begun lashing Jamaica with winds up to 175 miles per hour and sheets of heavy rain. The storm is moving at a sluggish 3 miles per hour, with catastrophic impact expected to...
Good morning, guys. As we all know, there's a storm that is heading to Jamaica. Today is Monday, October 27th, and I haven't slept for the past 2 days. I've just been worrying a lot. My family's back home, and especially hearing that this hurricane is going to be a Category 5. It is scary. It's very scary. And from what I'm seeing from the news, it's going to be horrific. You know, I really don't know how to feel. I'm just here worrying myself. Like, I'm stressed. I'm so depressed. I'm telling you the truth. I feel so depressed right now. Today I was planning to go out because I have a few errands, but I don't even think I'm going to leave the house, to be honest. So I might get up and get some breakfast and then do some meal prep for this week. When I stress, I cook. So that's what I'll be doing today. I'm just gonna I got some fish yesterday. I also picked up some chicken breasts. I have some spinach, so I might do chicken breast with creamy spinach. I don't know, we'll see. But my heart is broken already, you know. I'm praying and I'm hoping for the best, but we know that there is little that we can do when it comes to Mother Nature. We just have to pray and ask God for mercy. And that is what I'm praying for my country, Jamaica. For God to have mercy on everyone. I pray that we will rise above this and no lives lost. So I'm asking everyone to just keep us in your prayers as we weather this hurricane that is approaching us. But I'm so worried, you know. I've been in dialogue with my mom, my sister, you know, my family back home. And so far, you know, they've been preparing, you know, the lamps, the flashlights, the batteries. But we know how that can be, you know, in a bad situation. Like, what are you going to do? You know, it is stressful. But I'm really hoping for the best. I'm really, really hoping for the best. We're not prepared for this. You know, I don't even know what to say. But I'm going to start off my vlog by cooking today, like I mentioned earlier. And that's it. I will keep on calling them. I know that as soon as it starts raining, they might lose power and then the phone lines might go down. So I'm just trying right now to be on the phone as much as I can You know, they have been keeping me updated, but I know how it is, especially with power. I know the power is going to go out soon. It is expected to hit land Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday morning or Monday. Yeah, tonight going into Tuesday. It's expecting to hit landfall. So, yeah. Pray for us, guys. Please do. Please do. All right, I'm gonna get up right now and I'm gonna vlog and I'm gonna show you everything that I'm cooking. I'm all over the place, guys, because I'm really worried, you know. I am really, really, really worried for my little country. Oh, God. We have been through so much. We have been through a lot. I'm praying. So this is breakfast, guys. Don't feel like having anything heavy this morning, just something pretty light, because I'm going to be cooking right after this. And then I'm going to try calling my sister and mother again. But they've been getting lots and lots of rain. The rain is crazy. But I do love bananas, and I also love oranges, so these are my go-to. And this is sweet. I got these from the Amish market last Thursday. They're pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. That's about it. As soon as I'm done here, I'm just gonna jump right into the kitchen and get it started, because I'm not gonna be in here all day. I'm gonna be watching the news, staying updated. Jamaica, Jamaica. Well, it lasts strong still, so we'll get through it. We are gonna get through it. All right. Anywho, guys, let me done this, and then I'm gonna come back and start cooking.
southeastern Bahamas. Then we have to wait for it to move in towards Bermuda. So at least until the end of the week, into the weekend. But I want to go back. Chaos, complete chaos for everybody in Jamaica. Aaron was out there live. We were waiting for landfall, which 5 hurricanes. Just some stats for you this morning in case you were stepped away from the TV. I mean, we have.
Where's your learn your journey?
How do you want to find it in the left?
And that's a wrap, you guys. I have completed my meal prep for this week. Let me know what you guys think in the description below. And please feel free to give me your suggestions on some easy meal prep. And remember to keep Jamaica in your prayers, as this hurricane will hit us hard. Thank you again for watching, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Bye for now.